A man claims to be a federal whistleblower during a California traffic stop. He refuses a license, says he has no name, and insists he's traveling, not driving. So where does personal belief end, and where does the law actually begin?
You are aware of it, because I am a federal whistleblower, and that's my primary obligation, is to make sure that everything, all the T's are crossed and all the I's are dotted and everybody's properly
Private Attorney Generals.
So, do you have a driver's license with you?
I do, but I don't need to show it to you because I'm not driving.
I'm not have to show you. I'm not obligated to show you.
Driver in the driver's seat.
I'm not
He's not
obligated to show
driving.
you. I'm not driving.
Even traveling in the state of California, you're required to have a valid license.
Could I see that authority, please?
Yeah, it's in the California Constitution.
Okay,
So
great.
you can look that up on your phone. It's actually in the California.
Well, other motorists.
Right now, we're witnessing a seemingly innocuous exchange between the whistleblower and someone else, possibly an authority figure or a representative from a government agency. The whistleblower is emphasizing their role as a federal whistleblower, which implies a certain level of clearance or access to sensitive information. What's striking here is that the whistleblower is downplaying the need for identification, specifically a driver's license, because they're not driving and aren't required to provide one. This casual mention of a dollar license, which doesn't exist in California, raises some red flags. It's possible that the whistleblower...
Travelers, it's under BCC 9-109.
Travelers even in the state of California require.
Yeah, we have a fee schedule. Verbal contract is $3,000.
Look, man,
I just want to do is make sure that you are okay with your offers, because we have a fee schedule.
I know what I'm allowed to do in the state of California. Number one is I'm able to stop motorists and motor vehicles when they don't have proper identification on it. The other thing is in the California's Constitution, it actually states in there that you're required to have.
Are you sworn under the Constitution?
I'm sworn under the United States Constitution, and I represent the California Constitution as well.
Good. Because we are private.
Right now, the individual is explaining their authority to another person. They mention being in the state of California required to follow a fee schedule. This is new information, they haven't mentioned this before. They clarify that under California law, they're allowed to stop motorists without proper ID and that the California Constitution requires them to have this fee schedule. What's striking is their claim that they're sworn under both the United States and California constitutions. That's a unique dual allegiance. The individual says, I represent, emphasizing their connection to the California Constitution.
I am not obligated to show you anything of sorts of no laws broken. There's no crime committed. We have paperwork we showed you. But I don't have to show you any credentials assigned by the state that are copyleft, copyright, and trademark.
Again, one of the things here in the state of California is that you're required to identify when you're even stopped for a traffic infraction.
Well, I have no name. I work for no...
As we're watching this moment unfold, the individual is continuing to assert their rights and challenge the authority of those questioning them. They're reiterating that they've paid for the work done and are not obligated to provide any additional credentials or identification. Notice how they're citing specific laws, like the one about being able to go about your daily life without having to identify yourself when stopped for a traffic violation. That's a key point, because it shows they're familiar.
Man, I'm not for hire. My handle is Avisal. Notice they call me Abby. You can call me Abby. But I don't have to show you any credentials.
Is S310?
Right now, the man is firmly rejecting an offer or proposal. He's being adamant that he's not available for whatever purpose. What's interesting is that he's making a distinction